Welcome back. I'm Diomede from Top AI Africa. Lesson 2.1 showed you why generic AI fails in Africa. Now in Lesson 2.2, the heart of Module 2, I give you the fix. The AGENT framework. 5 letters, 5 non-negotiable properties of any AI agent that works on this continent. Each letter has a definition, and each comes with a real example from AfriPay, MediLink, or Lagos Fashion. By the end, you'll have a checklist you can hold any AI vendor to. Let's break it down. Welcome to the heart of Module 2, the AGENT framework. 5 letters, 5 non-negotiable properties of any AI agent that works in African markets. Each letter solves one of the 5 blind spots from the previous lesson. Each letter has a definition, and each comes with a real example from a top AI Africa deployment. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a vendor checklist. 5 hard questions you ask any AI provider before signing a contract. Before we dive into each letter, here's the promise. If your AI deployment scores high on all 5 letters, it works. If it's missing even one, it breaks. Quietly at first, catastrophically later. Generic Silicon Valley AI typically scores 0 out of 5. African-built AI scores 4 or 5. That delta is the difference between a tool that wins customers and a tool that loses them. We didn't invent AGENT from theory. We extracted it from over 100 deployments. Every successful agent we have shipped passes all 5 tests. A is for autonomous. Autonomous means your AI handles 70 to 80% of customer interactions without human help. Not everything. Humans still own the complex cases, but the AI carries the routine load. Why does this matter for Africa? Labor doesn't scale. You can't hire your way out of 500 daily WhatsApp messages. Autonomy is what lets AfriPay handle 500 inquiries a day with the same 3 agents. The AI handles 80%. The humans handle the 20% that needs judgment. Without autonomy, you're just adding tools, not capacity. G is for grounded. Grounded means the AI is trained on your data, not generic internet text. Your products, your prices, your customer history, your business rules. Not what some Silicon Valley scraper found about a brand vaguely like yours. MediLink's appointment, AI knows their actual doctors, their actual schedules, their actual patient history. When a patient asks about Dr. Mukamana's availability next Tuesday, the AI gives the real answer because it's grounded in MediLink's data. Generic AI hallucinates. Grounded AI tells the truth. A is for edge ready. Edge ready means the AI works on the actual devices and networks your customers use. Sub $100 Androids, 2G connections, patchy reception, not the latest iPhone on a fiber line. The Lagos Fashion AI is edge ready. It compresses images aggressively. It handles dropouts gracefully. It works at 2 in the morning when a customer in a rural area has 1 bar of signal. If your AI only works on broadband, it's not deployed in Africa. It's just deployed in the demo. N is for native language. Native means truly fluent in the language your customer actually speaks. Not English with a few translated phrases. AfriPay's AI is native in French and Kirundi. MediLinks is native in Kinyarwanda. Lagos Fashions is native in Nigerian Pidgin. Native isn't a feature, it's the entry ticket. Without native language, you don't have an AI agent. You have an English bot pretending. And African customers spot the pretense in 3 messages or less. T is for transparent. Transparent means the AI can explain its decisions and knows when to escalate to a human. When the AI tells a customer their loan is denied, it explains why. When the AI doesn't know an answer, it says so and hands off. When the AI takes an action, sends a refund, books an appointment, there's an audit trail. Transparency builds trust. And in African markets where trust is built person to person, an opaque AI is a non-starter. A transparent AI scales the trust that actually closes deals. The framework only works as a whole. Autonomous without grounded means a confident liar. Grounded without edge. Ready means perfect answers no one receives. Edge ready without native language means a fast bot speaking the wrong tongue. Native language without transparent means a smoothest talker no one trusts. Transparent without autonomous means an honest tool that can't scale. All 5 letters reinforce each other. Drop one and the whole stack fails. AfriPay scores 5 out of 5. MediLink scores 5 out of 5. Lagos Fashion scores 5 out of 5. That's not coincidence. That's the framework working. Now grade your own situation. Are you currently using any AI tool? Chatbot, salesbot, scheduler. Score it on the 5 letters. Autonomous. Does it handle 70% or more without humans? Grounded. Is it trained on your data or generic? Edge ready. Does it work on a 2G connection? Native language? Does it speak your customer's actual language? Transparent. Can it explain its decisions and escalate cleanly? Anything below 4 out of 5, replace it. That's not a critique, that's protection. Recap. A is autonomous, handles the routine load without humans. G is grounded, trained on your data, not generic. E is edge ready, works on the devices and networks your customers actually have. N is native language, truly fluent, not translated. T is transparent, explains decisions, escalates cleanly, builds trust. 5 letters, 5 properties. One framework that turns imported failures into African successes. In lesson 2.3, we apply AGENT to your specific business with a hands-on worksheet. See you there. That's the AGENT framework. 5 letters that turn AI deployments from impressive demos into closed deals. Lesson 2.3 is the hands-on application. You'll fill out a 5-column worksheet for your own business and walk away with a real architecture. Before you go, hit like if this gave you a clear lens. Share it with a founder who's about to buy an imported AI tool. Comment with which letter you think your business needs most, and subscribe so you don't miss 2.3. See you in 2.3.